5 top alternative investments. Most people think of investing as bonds, mutual funds, buying stocks, exchange traded funds, or real estate investment trusts. Some people might also consider buying stocks from mining companies. But now you have opportunities to make an alternative investment. You can start investing in those alternative tracks to avoid the broker chain. Some of them can make you a huge amount of money, and some may make you a more modest profit. When thinking about alternative investments, you must avoid get rich quick schemes or scams. Focus on legal investment sites that may help you prosper. Here, we have selected 5 top alternative investments. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending or P2P lending would be one of the best choices for alternative investments. It offers loans for business, personal use, or anything else you can imagine. There is no bank involved in the P2P lending system. Typically, your money is pooled with other investors' money, and together you make a loan to the individual asking for funds. Contemporary art. The ability to purchase shares of iconic art pieces allows investors to enter the art market at a much lower price than ever before. A stock market crash doesn't appraise the art market because it has its own supply and demand, so you can make a good profit from this zone. Wine. Buying wine can provide an excellent source of variety of investments, but you must have enough knowledge to select the appropriate bottle. Wines typically provide steady income rather than stocks and bonds boom and bust cycles. Pre-IPO private equity securities lets you own startup shares without joining any investments or venture capital firm. If you can tolerate more risks, the potential rewards of investing in companies at this stage are far greater than you might expect. Real estate. You can buy and own property in the real estate business. You can buy apartments or lands to sell at a higher price. But before buying any property, you must check its original documents and research well. Otherwise, you may be cheated. Modern investors are no longer limited to buying shares or stocks. They are getting more profit by investing in different alternative methods. You can profit by trying the above alternative investments.